Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to force restart on your HONOR Magic8 Lite when your screen is frozen, for example. If your screen is frozen and doesn't respond, then you may want to do a force restart so the phone functions again. And to do that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the HONOR logo appears. So let's do that now. I know at first it does a screenshot. Don't. Like, you shouldn't care about it, right? Just keep pressing. And if the screen is like really frozen, then probably it wouldn't take a screenshot. Or at least you won't see it. You can see the HONOR logo has appeared, so I can release those buttons and now wait a little moment until the phone starts again, and then it'll be force restarted and working again. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.